Hello, welcome back. It's episode 2, Fun with Buttons, with me, Ryan the Button Man. Last time we talked about where buttons sort of came from, and I promised you we're going to get into the 80s and 90s. Now that's not going to happen today. We're going to start a little bit further back, 1950s. So musicians and buttons have been going together forever. Buttons were a great way to show which band is going to perform, which one maybe you were supporting, who's your favorite guy or your favorite gal, your favorite group. For example, who's heard of this guy? That's Elvis, okay? This is Elvis, people. If you don't know who Elvis is, get him in the Google. Give him a Google, very famous. So Elvis really started with buttons. Fellow musicians like Bo Diddley, Chuck Berry, Little Richard, Pat Boone. If you don't know who Pat Boone is, I actually had to Google him. It's worth maybe a quick Google. Anyway, they enjoyed a lot of success in the 1950s. Do yourself a favor, Google them up. Next time, we're gonna get into the 60s and the 70s. We're gonna get a little bit more contemporary. You'll like that a little bit. Like and subscribe. Give me some comments. No comments. I haven't seen anybody else's button collection. What is going on? I got more than 52 now, I think. I'm up to 56. I don't know. Who's catching up to me? Let me know. See you next time.